Pardon the lighting, the sun is going down and it is time for strobes and smoke effects. Okay, it's approaching Halloween and I needed to upgrade our game here for Halloween. And we've got tons of smoke machines and a barking dog. So as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, we needed to upgrade our Halloween game. Tons of smoke machines, but I needed that like kind of spooky strobe effect. So I saw this Roxant Strobe and I actually ordered two because they're small. I knew they were small, although I didn't expect them to be quite this small. I know they have 24 LEDs. The effects are adjustable, and outside of that, they're pretty darn conventional. It's just got one knob on the back to change the strobe effect. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so obviously it's plastic, very light, as I said, 24 LEDs, one knob to adjust it, conventional plug. I think the only thing that has to happen here is we need to wait for it to get to be dark. I'll make some smoke and I'll show you what it actually looks like, because that's what you really need to know, right? All right, let's do that. So this is a quick look at the no smoke setup during the day. We'll let it get a little darker out, kick on the smoke and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we are. It is night, the strobes are on, a little smoke added to it, and this is the look. It's pretty darn cool. This is on full speed. Let's try slowing them down just so you can look. Again, this is 2 units. This is more like the thunderstorm kind of lightning look. I'm pretty much digging that. All right, in any case, I'm gonna say I really like these. I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10 on the Doug score. Again, I have 2 of them here, not a single one. All right, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.